Hi friend, I'm Borna Shujai from Inventor Mechanics channel. We are so glad that see you again. Till here, we start learning Autodesk Inventor for beginners. In previous months, we learned about application options, home screen, how to make a party environment, and create branch from letterhead sketch to know how to draw arc, circle, rectangle, and etc. In new videos, we'll learn about next branch in a sketch mode named Modify. And if you didn't subscribe our channel till here, please subscribe our channel for better education and turn on the notification for the next video. Comment our videos, share our channel to your friends. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Now in this session, let's talk about Modify branch. The first order in Modify branch is Move. At first, we should have a geometric shape like circle. Dimension is not so important. Click. And now click on Move. We can see Move window here. At first, say that we should select Shape. OK. And click Base Point. We should have a base point like center and put the center on here. OK, it's done. Again, also we can have another circle and again use Move, select Shape, base point, center, and here we can active copy icon. If we active it, we can see we can have previous and new mode. Okay, we have previous circle and new circle together by active copy icon. Next is copy. We can see copy. It's so similar to Move, but different that in Move order we can have one copy, but in copy order we can have many shapes like this. For example, we come here and click on copy order, select shape, base point, and now we see many shapes here. And at the end, continue. You can see here many shapes, but in Move we can copy just one shape. Okay. Next order is rotate. At first, let's delete these shapes and draw a rectangle, and now click on rotate order. We can see rotate window, select all sides, choose center point, and now we have a new rectangle by degree, for example 45, and apply. Other important orders are trim and extend. Let's delete this. Other important orders are trim and extend. Let's delete this. Okay. And now consider one circle and one rectangle inside. Now you want to delete this line and this arc from this point and this point. Click on trim. You can see preview. Okay. Delete this line and again this arc. Okay, and also we can have delete lines and arc by extend order. We click here and we can see preconception of lines. If we like it, click in this line. We have again line, and when we go on circle we can see delete arc, and again click here. And it's these two orders, trim and extend. Next order is scale. Let's delete this shape and draw a rectangle. We go here, draw a rectangle. For example, concept rectangle. The length is 40 and the width is 20. Now we want a rectangle. The length will be 80 and the width 40. We can use a scale, select sides, again base point, for example here, and a scale factor. If we put it 2, the length will be 80 and the width will be 40. It's a scale order. It was a scale order. Another order that is so important is offset. Click on offset order, select sides, and now right click and choose continue. We can have a rectangle by similar dimension inside or similar dimension outside, for example outside. Now we can check from this line to this line, this dimension, and this one to this one, again this dimension. Okay, and it's offset. We finish another branch from sketch mode. Next session we will learn about pattern branch. That is so useful. See you in next session. Subscribe our channel and comment our videos. Help us. Stay with us.